To play the game balloon bursting, favorites must be set in advance. The balloon bursting game can be found in the bottom right of the route bar under the dice icon. Choose the route in which you want to play the game by staying on the route. Start the game by cycling. Throughout the entire bike ride, balloons will appear on the screen until the route is complete. If a yellow balloon appears on the screen, press the yellow button on the handlebars. Game feedback is provided through visual and auditory feedback. When a blue balloon appears on the screen, press the blue button on the handlebars. When a hot air balloon appears on the screen, do not press any button. When a purple balloon appears on the screen, do not press any button. For a right answer, a green check with sound will appear on the screen. For a wrong answer, a red cross with sound will appear on the screen. The game can be stopped prematurely by pressing the yellow and blue buttons simultaneously. At the end of the game, the performance will appear on the screen.